From logs to luxury, upcycled firewood decor ideas for a stylish home. What if I told you that those ordinary firewood logs sitting in your backyard could become luxurious home decor pieces? Welcome back to Kuki Decor, where creativity meets sustainability. In today's video, we are transforming humble firewood into stunning, upcycled masterpieces that add warmth, character, and eco-friendly charm to any space. From rustic candle holders to sculptural furniture accents, get ready to see logs like you've never seen them before. Let's turn scraps into style. In a time when sustainability and style go hand in hand, there's something incredibly satisfying about turning humble materials into elegant decor. One of the most overlooked yet beautifully organic resources is firewood. Yes, the same rough-cut logs often stacked for winter warmth are now taking center stage in the world of interior design. At Kuki Decor, we believe that luxury doesn't always come with a hefty price tag. It often comes with a little creativity, some elbow grease, and a strong connection to nature. This is the heart of upcycled firewood decor. Isn't it amazing what a simple log can become? If you're getting inspired, give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new here, welcome to Kuki Decor. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss our creative upcycling ideas. Let's build a stylish home, sustainably. Firewood, with its natural textures, raw edges, and rugged charm, has a story to tell. Each ring, each knot, and each split holds a quiet, earthy history that can't be manufactured. When treated with care, this material becomes a designer's dream, flexible enough to shape, yet strong enough to last. It's the perfect medium for decor that feels personal, grounded, and beautifully imperfect. Let's start with wall decor, a growing trend that's adding depth and texture to modern interiors. Picture a feature wall made from log cross-sections, sliced and arranged like a mosaic, each piece varying in diameter and tone. The result is 3D artwork that invites touch and admiration. Whether arranged in perfect circles or more free-form, these slices bring warmth and natural rhythm to any room. For something more minimal, a few vertically mounted logs in a reclaimed wood frame create a striking, Scandinavian-style accent. Another popular use of firewood is in furniture design. Imagine a side table crafted from a thick, round log, its bark partially stripped to reveal the wood beneath, sanded smooth and sealed to a rich sheen. Add hairpin legs or a concrete base, and you have a stunning piece that bridge rustic and modern effortlessly. Firewood slabs also make beautiful shelving, especially when paired with metal brackets or mounted as floating shelves. They are perfect for showcasing books, plants, or other decor items while adding character to otherwise flat walls. Quick break: if these ideas are sparking your imagination, take a second to like this video and subscribe to Kuki Decor. We are all about turning natural materials into standout decor. Trust me, there's so much more rustic DIY magic coming your way. For a truly transformative look, firewood can be crafted into lighting elements. Drill into a log to make a rustic table lamp base, or hollow out part of a branch to create a pendant light. Insert warm-toned bulbs, and the glow highlights the natural grain of the wood, making each piece look alive. Candle holders are excellent firewood DIY, simple, elegant, and perfect for cozy, ambient lighting. Just a few vertical logs with holes drilled into their tops can become beautiful centerpieces for dining or coffee tables. Looking for more artistic applications? Firewood can be used for sculptural decor, bringing organic form and structure into your space. Stack split logs in interesting arrangements and binds them with industrial-style metal straps or leather belts for a museum-worthy display. Create a geometric log tower in a corner or turn stumps into pedestals for potted plants. Each piece becomes a natural sculpture, blurring the line between function and art. What makes upcycled firewood decor even more appealing is that it's budget-friendly and beginner-friendly. You don't need expensive tools or advanced skills to get started. A handsaw, sandpaper, and a little patience can take you a long way. Upcycling firewood also plays a significant role in eco-conscious living. Instead of buying new materials or discarding what's left from tree trimming, storm cleanups, or yard maintenance, you're breathing new life into what would have been waste. You're participating in a design philosophy that values reuse, respects nature, and makes sustainability a visible part of your lifestyle. That's the kind of luxury we need more of, beauty that matters. Loving these firewood transformations so far? If you're enjoying the creativity and want more eco-friendly decor inspiration like this, go ahead and hit that like button. It really helps the channel. And if you haven't already, subscribe to Kuki Decor for more nature-inspired DIYs and rustic home ideas every day. Now, if you're a DIY enthusiast, you might be wondering where to start. Begin small, perhaps with a firewood candle holder or a wall-mounted shelf. As you gain confidence, move on to larger projects like stools, benches, or wall features. Sketch your ideas, explore online tutorials, or follow along with Kuki Decor's upcoming videos where we demonstrate each step. Firewood is very forgiving, and it rewards those who explore its natural quirks. So next time you walk past a pile of logs, pause for a moment. Look closely at the textures, the curves, the natural patterns formed over decades. Think about the warmth they once gave and the beauty they still hold. With a little creativity, they can become centerpieces in your home, symbols of both style and sustainability. At Kuki Decor, we celebrate the art of transformation. And what better symbol of that than firewood, once fuel, now fine decor? So gather your tools, get inspired, and start creating. Because luxury isn't always bought, it's built, one beautiful log at a time. And just like that, we've journeyed from the firewood pile to elegant, one-of-a-kind decor pieces that bring warmth, story, and soul into your home. Who would have thought that something so ordinary, logs once meant for burning, could be transformed into luxury that's not just stylish, but deeply sustainable? Whether you love the idea of rustic candle holders, wall art made from log slices, or functional furniture with raw, organic textures, there's something magical about letting nature guide your design choices. At Kuki Decor, we believe that beauty doesn't have to be bought, it can be built. All it takes is a little imagination, some simple tools, and a respect for the materials around us. Upcycling firewood isn't just a trend, it's a movement toward mindful decorating, where every piece has meaning, and every design choice reflects your values. If this video inspired you, make sure to like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you never miss our future projects. We've got plenty more creative wood decor ideas, DIY furniture tips, and eco-friendly transformations coming your way. And hey, we'd love to hear from you. What was your favorite idea from today's video? Have you tried upcycling wood at home? Drop a comment below and join the conversation. We are building a community of creative thinkers and nature lovers who turn simple materials into stunning decor. Thanks again for watching and for being part of the Kuki Decor family. Until next time, stay inspired, stay sustainable, and always see the beauty in the unexpected.